Hello and welcome back to KM WebVerse. In this video I will tell you how you can hide this reviews tab in your theme. This video will guide you through these steps on how you can enable or disable reviews in WooCommerce on WordPress. So for that, just go to your WordPress dashboard and now you have to hover over WooCommerce and click on settings. Now to hide the reviews, just go to products and here you can scroll down and here you see enable product reviews, so you can just disable it and click on save changes. This will disable the reviews in your complete WooCommerce store and you can enable them back whenever you want. So now just go back to the product and click on refresh. So here you can see that the reviews tab is gone. So that's how you can hide the reviews tab in Woodmart or any theme on WooCommerce using WordPress. If you want to create your complete e-commerce store using a professional theme, I recommend Woodmart, and for that I have already created a complete video on how you can create an e-commerce store. So just make sure to check out that video, and if you need any of my help in building your website or fixing your website, just go to my website and you can contact me for that. So that's it for this video. See you next. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos.